Forcepoint offers clear and concise dashboards, which enables practitioners to quickly evaluate the riskiest users within an organization. In addition, dashboards can quickly show top match rules that may need to be addressed, whether from the data side or the user activity side. Admins are also able to easily assess possible exfiltration across all egress channels and destinations. Forcepoint One data security is uniquely designed to quickly assess risk for your organization. Well, Forcepoint is unique in the marketplace, enforcing and reporting data exfiltration for all channels within a single UI. Within investigations, admins and auditors can get a deeper dive into risky users' behavior by a comprehensive timeline that can give context not only to the use of data, but to that user's behavior. Additionally, all alerts are visible from a single UI across all egress channels while clearly delineating specifics such as user, activity, compliance, and security categories and destinations. All this is made possible by the Forcepoint award-winning data security policies. Forcepoint's award-winning data security enables admins to customize the out-of-the-box policies utilizing over 1,700 data classifiers covering most major compliance mandates. Within a single data security policy, administrators can teach, they can monitor, they can enforce action across egress channels, such as your endpoint channels, emails, web, and even CASB API and inline. Customizable action plans allow the organization to teach or coach or simply audit the action in order to continue to increase organizational productivity while still safeguarding sensitive data. Adding on the risk adaptive protection allows for the organization to have a blanket risk policy that can use over 131 IOBs or indicators of behavior in order to help safeguard and monitor user activity as it intersects the sensitive data that the organization is attempting to protect.